Good afternoon, good evening everyone. I'm Rizky Kurniawan from Management Class 22 with NPM 224111035. Well, this time we will discuss material about debt management from the financial management course. Debt is something that does not always have to be avoided. Some people go bankrupt if they don't manage their debt wisely, but there are also people who success by utilizing debt wisely. Therefore, understand what debt is, what types of debt are, and how to manage debt wisely. Definition of debt. Debt is money borrowed by one party from another. Debt is used by many companies and individuals to make large purchases that they cannot afford to pay in cash. The most important consideration you needed to make when taking out a loan is to know whether the debt incurred is good debt or bad debt. Well-managed debt can actually be a good thing. However, interest is something you should pay more attention to, especially for credit cards. If you are not disciplined about making payments, the interest can keep increasing and increasing, leave you on the hook for a much larger amount of cash than you anticipate. That's called bad debt. You can avoid bad debt by avoiding high interest loans, in addition to not using debt to buy things you don't really need, and don't procrastinate paying on the debt you have. Next, type of debt. There are several types of debt based on the repayment period and nature of management. By understanding the type of debt, you can optimize the benefit you can get from debt. In addition, you can also avoid the bad things that debt can use. Here's explanation based on term. There are at least three types of debt based on the repayment period, namely short-term, medium-term, and long-term debt. This debt can arise for many reasons, such as delayed payment to suppliers, trade receivable, long-term capital loans, and so on. Short-term debt. Debt or obligation that must be repaid within a short period of time, usually under one accounting period or 1 year. It is also called current debt because it is usually paid with asset in the form of current asset. This debt is usually incurred when we make transactions to suppliers, to trade receivable, to consumers with non-cash payment. Medium-term debt. Debt or liability that must be repaid within a medium period of time, usually above one accounting period or below 10 years. This type of debt usually occurs when we purchase a car as a business fleet or for personal use. Long-term debt. Debt or obligation that must be repaid over a long period of time, usually about 10 years. This loan usually has a low interest rate but a long tenor. This is due to the length of time needed to repay the debt. Example of long-term debt are mortgages, multi-purpose loans, and soon. Next, type of debt based on financial management. Apart from the time period, debt is divided into two types of categories based on the nature of its management, namely productive and consumptive debt. Both have different management traits and different benefits. Both are good as long as you utilize them wisely. The following is an explanation of the difference between consumptive and product debt. Consumptive debt. Consumptive debt is debt incurred for consumption purpose. Although is called consumptive debt, it should not be considered as bad debt because there are many consumption activities that have great benefit. For example, consumption activity for children's school fees, hospitalization fees, childbirth costs, have renovation or construction, and soon. Productive debt. Productive debt is debt that is used for business capital purpose. This type of debt requires different requirements such as the need for supporting documents such as SIUP and NPWP. Productive debt can not only be used to finance personal business but can also be used for investment purpose, franchise purchase, or other assets purchase. Next, how to pay off debt. How quickly you can get out of debt this depends on how much debt you have and how much more you can pay to reduce it. Make a plan, set a budget, and don't take on more debt. Consider limiting non-essential spending and use what you save to pay down your debt. In order for you to get rid of your debt obligation quickly, you must make regular payments in an orderly manner. If you have a lot of a debt at various financial institutions, you can do debt consolidation. Debt consolidation can make your debt pay off quickly with lower interest rates. Debt consolidation is combining all the debt you have by paying off using one new account. Debt consolidation can be a solution to pay off all your debt with lower interest rates and with longer tenor option. You need to understand that most of the financial problem you have come from poor emotional decision. That's why most of the time your financial problem with only and if you manage to fix your emotion. For example, you buy a luxury item to get recognition from the person you want to impress. You will never get of financial trouble until you overcome this emotional problem. You need to brave enough to live a simpler life and sell all your luxury items to pay off your debt, regardless of what other link will think of you. If you need a fancy car to gain confidence, what you really need is not fancy car but confidence. Because if you need a fancy car, you gain confidence, you cannot get too far from the parking lot. Paying off all your debt will require a lot of sacrifice as you are required to live more simply. However, you will experience great benefit in your financial and spiritual life. You will be able to find the meaning of your life, feel gratitude more easily, and eliminate people who have a negative effect on your life. But cutting your monthly expenses is not enough to accelerate your debt repayment. You also need to increase your income to be able to pay more installment. You can consider having a side job that does not interfere with your main job. Reconsider opening a business because you might lose more money if you are not able to manage your business. Debt is a loan that you can be fund your business and fulfill your needs. But you must remember that you have an obligation to repay your debt on time to avoid bigger financial problems. Always consider whether the debt you take on is a good debt or a bad debt. Freeing yourself from debt can be life better. You can think clearly to find better solution if you are debt free. That was a little discussion of the material working capital management. I hope this material can be used for all of us. Please apologize if there is a mistake. Thank you.